How to replace the heatsink. Before you begin, remove the base enclosure and battery. Removal. In numerical order on the left side, remove the 4 P1 Phillips-head screws that secure the heatsink to the system board. On the right side, remove the 3 P1 Phillips-head screws that secure the heatsink to the system board. Note: only configurations with discrete graphics will need to have 3 screws removed from the right side. Lift the heatsink off of the system board and remove. Replacement. Note: before replacing the heatsink, the thermal grease should be replaced. The thermal grease should be replaced every time the heatsink is removed. Use alcohol and a soft cloth or an alcohol swab to clean all thermal grease off of the heatsink, processor, and graphics processing unit. Use the thermal grease applicator to apply the thermal grease to the processor and graphics processing unit. At an angle, place the rear edge of the heatsink under the rim of the top cover and tilt the rest of the heatsink down into position on the system board. In numerical order, replace the 4 P1 Phillips-head screws on the left side that secure the heatsink to the system board. Replace the 3 P1 Phillips-head screws on the right side that secure the heatsink to the system board. Note: only configurations with discrete graphics will need to have 3 screws replaced on the right side.